Hello, my dear friends. In this session, we have Rhea with us, and first of all, congratulations to Rhea for getting computer science in BITS Goa campus. Uh, Welcome
Thank you.
to our interview session. So, because of some issues, my dear friends, Rhea is unable to switch on the camera, and we wish to go ahead without camera in this session. That's fine. So, Rhea, informally, I would like you to introduce yourself to our future aspirants of BITSAT.
Hi, I'm Rhea. I'm from Bangalore and I'm doing computer science at BITS Goa.
Very cool, crisp. So your first year has just started now. How
Yeah.
you feeling right now?
I'm feeling happy that I got a nice college.
No, I mean, and the nice college is there. And how's the atmosphere? How your friends and everyone around you? How's the session or academics and extracurricular treating you?
The campus is like very pretty and the seniors over here are very, very helpful.
Mm-hmm.
The academics have just started and the extracurriculars have not started yet. Like the clubs and all, they're going to start next week.
Mm-hmm.
But the sports center is open, and that's very good.
Oh, very cool, very cool. So yeah, I can see your score. You in the session one, BitSat you got 278, and in session two you got 310. So it's a huge jump from 278 to 310. It's a huge jump, 32 marks jump you have made. After first session one, you took Masterclass Space Test Series. So I just want to ask you how relevant was the test series? How much helpful was the test series for you for your session two?
I think first attempt I was mainly studying for advanced and I wasn't aware of the bits pattern very well.
Mm-hmm.
Also, second attempt I attempted bonus questions, which Masterclass helped me realize I should have done. So I mainly give the extra marks credit to the bonus section,
Mm-hmm.
which I attempted.
No, I'm asking you. The question is, how relevant was the questions you did in the masterclass space with the real bit set? What marks you were getting in our test series, and finally you landed 310. So I just want to ask the relevancy of the test series.
The questions were like practice tests only, so they helped me realize what chapters and all I was weak at. And they also helped me realize that doing the bonus section would increase my marks because even in the tests, when I did the bonus sections, my marks increased.
Good, good. So were the questions okay? I mean, they were too easy, too difficult in our test series, or they were quite at par with the real bit set? How do you rate the questions?
Physics, chemistry, math were on par, but logical reasoning and English were way easier in the
Mhm.
uh, test series than in the actual BITSAT.
Okay, okay. So what marks you were getting in our test series?
Without doing bonus, I was getting 260, 270. After doing bonus, I was getting 290, 300.
I see. So in real bit set also you attempted bonus question?
In the first attempt, no. In the second one, yes.
I see, I see. Very nice. Not a problem. Now I just want to ask you basically that the analysis portion is there in the test series. Did you have a glance over it, and how much helpful is the analysis portion?
I think it's pointless doing a test without them giving an analysis because you don't know what to
Correct.
do after the test unless you have analysis telling you where you went wrong.
Yes.
So it was helpful.
Very nice. Now, since you have jumped and many students they come from the same track that initially they are not able to concentrate on BitSat and they get less score in the session one, and then it moves to then they take test series or if they prepare and move to give BitSat session two. So I just want to ask you,
Yeah.
what is your suggestion for the juniors who are aspirants of BitSat, how to prepare for BitSat? I
I
mean, whatever you feel.
think first attempt is very near advanced, so I don't think many people focus on BITSAT during that time. Even I didn't. But even then, the syllabus is somewhat similar, and I feel if you attempt the bonus question, it is possible to get high marks. And after advanced, honestly, I didn't feel like studying for quite a while because I just finished the main exam I was supposed to write. So it's hard to start studying after that, but one or two tests here and there and like revising your week chapter should be enough.
I see, I see. Cool. So overall, it was quite helpful for you that you took some practice tests and you increased your score and finally made
Yes,
to the branch of your choice.
yes.
So, what are your long-term plans? Have you made some long-term plans, Ria, after graduation?
Not really.
Of course, with time you can get some mental clarity.
Yes.
Okay, done
Hmm.
with academic. Just want to know what are your hobbies, by the way.
I had hobbies before 11th, 12th. Now I'm hoping I can start some of them again.
Okay, and what do you hope to do? Start.
I used to read a lot and I used to play badminton.
Hmm.
Uh, Hoping I can do that again over here.
So 2 years were very rigorous preparation and too much academics. So you couldn't get time to pursue any of your
Yeah,
hobby, I believe. Well, that's a story of
yeah,
every student. In 11th and
yeah.
12th, things become quite heavy. So happy to know. Once again, congratulations to you and your family, and thank you for being part of Masterclass Space. Once again, congratulations, and hope to see you sometime on campus.
Thank you.
God bless you. Bye bye.
Bye.